Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guys, I want to report on what MDN News has written about actor Dingani Mukebe. It says actor Dingani Mukebe has accused his former partner Tulufelo Mataba of preventing him from seeing their daughter for nearly a decade. Like nearly 10 years, guys. However, Tulufelo has reportedly denied these allegations, stating that Dingani never made an effort to visit their child, even during their relationship. Yeban, Arbone. With two conflicting accounts, the situation highlights the complexity of co-parenting and dynamics. And in these instances, guys, we can never know. You will think Ugutu Dingani is the right one. You will think Ugutu Sulufel is the right one. At the end of the day, they know the truth and they know Ugutu, who is the problem and who is making sure Ugutu, the child is not seen. But it is sad because when when the elephants fight, it's the grass that suffers, meaning the child for 10 years has been fatherless. Like, share, subscribe.